Guys, finally decided to fix my shifter boot. Previously I did a video on how to replace it. My other shift boot was horrible, it was so worn out, so I decided to get a new one. I did a video. I couldn't find too many videos out there of people doing it, so I did it my way. I made a couple mistakes. I uploaded the video and got some feedback. A couple people said that I did things reverse, right? So it was backwards or something like that. That's what I did it. So just getting a chance, or I kind of feel like doing it now. So I'm trying to fix it. I'm gonna try to do this thing the right way. I should use a zip tie, and I follow some of the comments on the video how to do it. Well, they gave me some hints, some tips, and I did it already. So I'll post the final result. One thing too is that be careful with this thing. Online I can't find it cheaper than $30. I think it's like $30. And the place that I got this from, he's actually selling both of them together for almost $40. So that's kind of cool. And I still have yet to get a new one. I refuse to pay $100 for a shifter, for the knob. I honestly refuse. And I did had a 2005 Saab Redline back in the days, and the exact same thing broke, but that one had warranty. So anytime this thing popped out or broke, I went to a dealer and they replaced it for me, but not in this case. So I'm not paying $30. I mean, I'm not paying $100 for this thing. Anyway, I'm gonna post the final result on this. So last time I was trying to put this back in, it was a little bit easier. This time it's a little bit harder, just because, like I said, last time I broke this plastic thing, and I just tape it up with I think it was electric tape, so it was more flexible. This time this thing is a little bit tighter, and yes, I am a little nervous about breaking it again, but this is pretty tight. So what I'm gonna do is I can't pull this thing anymore without thinking I'm gonna break it, so I'm not gonna chance it. Video, you guys notice how this thing broke. It cracked over here. That was one of the first things that I did. That was my first mistake. So I actually someone commented in the video that they sell, I don't remember exactly what this is called. I know my brother got it from me, and it's actually plastic. It's pretty I guess it's kind of like soldering for plastic. So I told my brother to get it for me. He got it, and it looks very nice. I mean, obviously it looks, kind of crappy over here, but it looks very steady, strong. I'm gonna see if I can actually, it looks like it's gonna fit pretty well, pretty nice and snug. So I'll put it in, and hopefully the white part is not gonna show up. So check it out. It actually looks perfect. Look at that. Perfect. That's just the glare. That looks really nice. So this is the ghetto part. Again, this is broken. This thing literally just won't stay. Right? So what I do is I grab those plastic seals, not plastic, those seals from, I guess, you know, like if you guys drink like muscle milk or those milks, they have should I have a couple of them here? Look, this is my little stash. You know, those little seals. That's what I use. I grab and I mold it. I cut it in half. I mold this, and I just pretty much put it on like that. Try to make it look as straight as possible. And guys, don't judge me, okay? I'm sorry, but I had to do this. There you go. Look at that. I know, I'm sorry. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. And if I can put the spring on, it's gonna be a little bit harder though, because you have to mold the foil thing, and you have to put it like in between the spring. But I do notice that one kind of pops out faster, so this should last me probably like 2 months, and then little by little it just wears off and starts moving. And once I notice that it starts moving, I know that I have to use another one. And again, that's just me though. I refuse to pay $100. I rather, if this lasts me for 2 months, if this thing is gonna last me for 2 months, I can deal with it, and I can just deal with $100, $99 for something else. All right, so it's fixed. Looks good. I like it, and that's it.